We will discuss that how to use the email verification option available inside the Flexi sellers. Just have to go in the email verification option. Then there you have to click on add email domain, and just you have to paste your domain. Suppose this is my domain. I will copy this and I will paste that and then click on the save. Once you click on the save option, then automatically after some time you will get this pop-up, and that pop-up you have to add inside the DNS records of your DA, domain provider. So my domain provider is Big Rock. This is my domain. So I have to click one more option, and then I want to go on. There I will just check this is my domain. There I have to use that zone editor, okay? So you can see here DNS records. I will click on the DNS records. Now, what records I have to add that I already got there? First, I have to add the MX record. So I will copy this. I will go again there, go in MX record, and here I will just paste that domain, subdomain, what I already given there. That same I have to add, send, copy this. I will paste it. Priority what I have to keep. Priority also given 10. I will keep the 10. Then I will click on Save Record. So once it is done, after that I have to add another record. So another record here given is TXT record. So I will copy this. Again, I will come on a TXT record, paste it, and domain, subdomain. Go in my settings, again send. Copy this, paste this, and save records. Now I have to add another record. I will again click on the TXTs. I will add another TXT record which is given. I will copy this, paste this value. Again, I will come here in my settings, first copy this, and then just paste it, and I'll click on Save Records. Once it is done, then we have to. And this is also the mark record which is recommended. You can also add that one. So what exactly I have to do, I have to just take this is copied with. Add in a TXT record. Again, I will go my settings option. Let's choose this, pasted just like this. Now click on Save Record. Once it is done, after that I have to again come to my settings. I will close it because all records which has been given I have added. Now I will refresh my dashboard one time. Okay, again, I will come up with email verification, okay? And then here my domain will appear. Then, after completion of each and every process, I have to click on Click to Verify option available here. So there is the option of Click to Verify. I will click on Click to Verify. So once all the settings has been done properly, you can see verification initiated. After some time, you will get your option of verified. So this is the steps you have to follow while doing the email verification. Thank you.